Section 1. Rumba box. Right side, left together, right fold, hold. Left side, right together, left back, hold. Section 2. Right side, left together, right croton, right fold step, left sweep. Weave step, left cross, right side, left behind, right sweep. Section 3. Right back, left fold, touch. Left step, right sweep. Right croton, jazz box. Right cross, right croton, left back, right side, left cross. Section 4. Scissor step, right side, left together, right cross, hold. Sway, left sway, right sway, left sway, hold. One, two, three, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, hold.